Are you tired of seeing all those carousels that you've liked on Instagram cluttering up your feed? Well, I've got some good news for you. You can now unlike multiple carousels all at once on your PC with the new update. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, head over to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon or the 3 dots. Next, click on your activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your interactions, including the carousels you've liked. Now scroll down to the Likes section and find the carousels you want to unlike. Simply click on Select next to each carousel to choose it. Once you've selected all the carousels you want to unlike, click on the Unlike button. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, so go ahead and confirm it. And that's it. You've successfully unliked multiple carousels on Instagram using your PC. Enjoy a cleaner feed without all those unwanted likes cluttering it up. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.